Hey everybody, welcome back to Moto Photo Adventures. This is Chris and we have a heck of a product to show you today. The fine folks at XTAR have sent us a really neat device. And I'm going to show this to you, and it's going to be one of those things that makes my life so much easier on these big trips that we take. We're recording all day long with our GoPros, constantly all day, literally like riding footage, and then when we stop we're interviewing people and so on and so forth.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
We're from South Carolina.
Well, hey.
We came all this way just to help you start your Jeep. Now we got to go back home.
Now you got to go back home.
This is awesome.
We eat through batteries all day long. We have a system, it works, it's fine, but this is going to make the system a whole lot better. So let's check it out.
And let the feelings overflow. Useless trying to fight this. Let's just give in and let the feelings overflow.
Reframe tighter, I don't know. A cut, a nothing? Just keep rolling? Okay, cool. This is the XTAR GP2. It's just like the GoPro dual battery charger that you normally can find on eBay or Amazon or Best Buy. And that's what we use currently. But the GP2 is kind of unique. Not only does it have a 2-battery charger, it's a battery in itself. So you basically have one of those USB battery powered bricks built into one of these, and it can charge both batteries twice. So essentially, I can have this charged up from my hotel room or wherever we are the night before, and it'll be able to continuously charge any of my spent GoPro batteries while we're riding without me having to run any wires or cables. And I'll show you a little bit later on why the system that we have works, but it's a little bit cumbersome. With this, it eliminates all of that problem. We're pretty excited about it. The GP2 does come with a USB-C charger, which is our preferred method of charging things. It does come with the charging brick. It does come with the cable. Charging brick. It comes with instructions, and it comes with a little adapter. I'm going to explain this adapter to you a little bit. So the GP2 is designed to accept the batteries from the GoPro Hero 9 and the GoPro Hero 10. Which we all know they redesigned after the Hero 8. They're a little bit larger to account for the second LCD screen on those devices. Well, we happen to have a Hero 8, and this adapter allows our Hero 8 battery to fit in here as well. So you can go back to Hero 7s, Hero 6s, those all use the previous generation or size of battery, and this way you can use any device you want with this particular charger. Very clever. Now, this is probably my only little nitpick about this particular product. I've already been using it and it's fabulous. It's a really neat item. I wish that XTAR would include 2 of these. Now, granted, of course, a lot of people now have switched over to the Hero 9s and Hero 10s, but occasionally I'll want to charge 2 Hero 8 batteries in here. It would have been really nice and not that much more expensive for them to include 2 of these, so I could basically be charging 2 Hero 8 batteries at the same time. That's my only little nitpick about this particular device. Other than that, super excited. When you charge it, it does have LED buttons on the front that tells you how much charge it has, and of course you can continue to watch how quickly it's charging before you leave. And the other really neat item that they thought of is they've put 2 little micro SD card holders in here. So if you're carrying a camera and you want to also have a spare micro SD card, you can stick them right in there and it's nicely protected by the case. Another beautiful design item is, if you've heard me already clicking this back and forth, magnetic door. So this doesn't go flopping open when you're riding down the road, jiggling on some adventure trail somewhere. It stays securely closed while your batteries are charging. Beautifully designed, nicely finished. I'm extremely excited about this particular product and can't wait to take it on our next trip. All right, so come on into my Nelson Rig tank bag and let me show you how we have this set up. Basically, my tank bag is divided. Down here, I normally have my camera. Currently, my GoPro is sitting in here. But up here at the top, I have this neat little pouch from Think Tank that carries all of my charging accessories. So I have all my cables to charge every device that we have. My GoPro charger sits in here. So we've already discussed the benefits of having a dual GoPro charger while you're riding on your motorcycle. 2 batteries can be charging while you're using the third one in the camera. When the camera battery is depleted, then you can swap that out, right? The unfortunate part about the GoPro chargers is you have to charge them by plugging them in somewhere. We do have USB ports on our handlebars, and so it's pretty convenient. It's really not that horrible. It has worked for us to simply plug that in, and you run that in like that, and you're riding down the road while your GoPro batteries are being charged. Well, here's the problem. When you run into rain, you have to put your cover over your Nelson rig tank bag because you don't want to get your electronics wet, and that cover is just really cumbersome with this dangly thing. In addition to that, you usually want to unplug any USB devices because rain can drip into your USB ports, short your bike out, have all kinds of issues if you're riding in heavy rain. So you can't charge while you're riding in the rain anyway. So those are the downsides. The cool part about the XTAR, again, we can remove that device. The XTAR brick can take right in there, and all I have to do is pop my batteries in there, and it's charging without any cables leading out from my tank bag. Super, super slick. I'm excited. Now that XTAR has invented a much better mousetrap for our adventures, allow me to show you again how the Hero 8 battery fits. Again, the battery compartments are designed for a Hero 9 and Hero 10 batteries, so they'll fit no problem. And then if you want to use your Hero 8 battery, you just grab this little adapter. Let me pull out a Hero 8 battery here. The adapter has a small little cutout in it that the lead from your battery slips through. And now it's basically the same size as a Hero 8 or Hero 10 battery. Boom. And the cool part about having that little cutout in it is you still have that tab so you can pull it in and out. Beautifully designed, really, really slick. Again, as I mentioned, my only pet peeve, I would have liked to have had 2 of these little adapters. Other than that, XTAR has really designed a fantastic product. It's well built, it's very nicely finished. I'm super excited. We can't wait to get it out on the trail and test it out. We'll put a link in the show notes for you guys so you can grab one for yourselves as well. And yeah, thanks XTAR. Nicely done.